Ielts Speaking Part 1.
My name is Jessica. This is your speaking test. Good morning. Okay, what is your name?
My name is Samir.
So, we can now get started with first part of speaking. First, let's talk about walking. Do you walk a lot?
Yes, I do, as it's part of my daily routine every morning and afternoon. Well, I like it since I can exercise every day and this helps me keep fit.
Do you think people often take more than in the past?
I don't think so. There are tons of different means of transport to assist people in traveling these days, so there is no point in walking anywhere.
Okay. Do you think people will take a walk more often or not?
Probably no. Like I have said, unless people learn to balance between work and life, it would be hard for them to spare any time for walking. Besides, people nowadays would prefer staying indoors and going to the gym than going for a walk.
Do you think people will walk more in the future?
Sorry. Would you please repeat the question?
Yes, of course. Do you think people will walk more in the future?
I doubt it. Considering the advancement of technology and more high-tech related innovations coming, people will be more reliant on cars or any advanced means of transportation. So walking will be the last thing they want to do in the midst of technological advancement.
Where do you usually take a walk?
Well, there's one decent park, which is just a short distance from my house, that I love visiting whenever I want to breathe fresh air. I enjoy walking around that park, especially when I'm exhausted or stressed out from work, because the surroundings put me at ease.
Okay, let's talk about music. Do you like listening to music?
Yes, of course. I've always been a big fan of music since I was a little boy. Sometimes I also listen to music before sleeping at night for 1 hour, and when I am riding my motorbike, which will both help me relax and feel more energetic when I hear the tune.
What kinds of music do you like to listen to?
For me, I am interested in the traditional instrumental music, like pianos and guitars. It is an impressive combination that can give you both nostalgic and modern feelings.
Do you play any kinds of musical instruments?
Due to my total lack of rhythm and the fact that I am tone deaf, I would not even consider embarrassing myself with any attempt to play a musical instrument. On a related subject, on the rare occasion that I attempt to sing a hymn in church, along with everyone else.
How much time do you spend listening to music every day?
As I've mentioned, I prefer working in silence. To put it simply, no music is allowed during my working hours. After a long day at school, I probably want to pump myself up for like half an hour with music to help me stay energetic, so I can get back to work later.
Would you like to become a widely known celebrity? Why?
Well, though I've never thought about it, I'm pretty sure that rising to stardom would never be one of my life goals. I appreciate all the efforts that celebrities, no matter which field they're working on, are making every single day. However, I find myself not belong to that world. I mean, you never know what's going on when the curtains close, right? So yeah, I don't think I want to become a global superstar, to be honest.
Okay, this is end of the speaking part 1.